Hi guys, I'm sure you all would agree with me that this is the season where people live, breathe, eat, and of course dream football. And we are live here at one of the metro stations in St. Petersburg, Russia, and we can see people, influx of beautiful crowd coming in and out. And I'm sure most of the people coming in are coming in from one city in Russia to the other just to catch the fun and excitement of this season where we have people all gathered together. So we will be taking you around the spin of this train station, of course, and certainly you all know that the train is one of the fastest means of transportation, and we have people trying to catch, business, football, friends, connection. But hey, while we do that, just come and let me show you around.
It kind of makes it hard to produce it.
Beautiful, I must say. Although we don't understand what the voiceover is saying.
Gentleloaded.com.
It kind of makes it hard to produce it.
Gentleloaded.com.
Challenge where two individuals show us their football spirit and skills and everything. Make we know who sabi play and pass. So guys, are you guys ready? So now this is the fan challenge. But both of you, your team A, your team B. So now you play the game. Whoever plays, you have 3 chances to play into the basket. So whoever plays into the basket the highest time is going to be the winner of this challenge. So are you guys ready? Are you ready? So we should start from team A, right? All right, start. Play.
Sweet music from NaijaFlavor.com.
But you can do better, you can do better. Start warming up, start warming up. can see, they drew by 2 points. Now, I'm going to give them one more chance. Let's see who the winner is tonight. Either it's Team A or Team B. So, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so I'm starting with Team A again. All right. Yes! Okay, let's get the ball. So guys, as you can see, both of them did awesomely well. Like, they were good. Even I had to give them extra time, you know, to play one more shot. But as we can see, Team A won the challenge and is the winner of today's fun challenge. Woo! So guys, this is the fun challenge, and Timothy is Team A while Michael is Team B. So we're going to know between both of them who can raise the ball into the basket this time around. Stay tuned, guys. So are you ready, guys? Are you sure you're ready? Have you warmed up? Who's gonna win between both of you? You. What about you? You too. Okay, so I cannot see who the winner is. So you have 3 chances to raise the ball into the basket. Are you ready? You're ready. Are you sure? All right, let's go. Let the game begin.
Sweet music from NaijaFlavor.com.
As you can see now, Team A is the winner of our fun challenge. I hope you guys had fun. You guys did amazing. You did another 5. Chop knuckle, chop knuckle. Alright, thanks. So guys, this is the end of the fun challenge, and I hope you guys had fun. You can see them doing their racing and all that. I was wishing I could also do it, but never mind. I think I'll learn before the next match. See you guys later.
People from different walks of life and of course countries are all gathered here in Russia for one and only one thing: Can I hear you scream it? Of course, it's the World Cup, and we, the sights and sounds, are in one of the viewing centers here in the city of St. Petersburg in Russia, of course, to give you all the fun and excitement and, of course, predictions. So we'll be going around asking few questions on predictions and who they really hope wins the match. And as you can see, my face is painted with the colors of the Russian flag. Some guy just bombarded me and insisted that he wants to paint the face. But hey, I'm still African and I obviously support Africa. But hey, let's go check them out and ask beautiful questions on the predictions of the match.
Josh, make that head sound, baby.
All right, so what is your name?
My name is Amin.
Where are you from?
Russia, St. Petersburg.
Wow. Okay, so tell me, how do you feel about the World Cup coming to Russia?
You,
You're excited about it. Okay, so what country do you support? Aside from Russia that you're from, what other country do you support? In the football.
Brasilia.
Brazil?
Yeah.
Why?
Neymar, Coutinho, Gabriel Jesus.
Okay. Oh, you like them big players?
Uh,
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, this my brother, Mohamed Salah. Yeah, my brother from Egypt is going to predict the match. How are you?
My name is Hassan. I'm from Egypt.
Good. Congrats all the way, and I wish you guys best of luck. One
Thank you.
Africa, one world.
Yes.
Okay? So now, tell me, who do you think will win today's match?
England obviously could score it.
Jesseling.
He just missed two chances, and I don't know. I feel like he's a very good player, young
Okay.
and very good for his age.
Okay, so you think he's going to score the second goal for England?
Yup, and maybe like he could score 2 more goals.
2 more goals?
Yup.
That would be like 3-1.
Yeah.
Perfect. How do you feel being in Russia?
It's amazing. Our first time in Russia. We are very excited to the Brazil game today.
How about you?
Me too.
You're excited?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Why do you think so?
2-0 Brazil.
Ah, that's your prediction.
Yeah.
I hope you get it wrong. It could
You
be
too.
4-0.
Huh?
Yeah, it could be 4-0.
Yeah.
I mean, all right, so tell me, I want to ask you few questions, right? So tell me, how many countries are playing in the World Cup?
32.
Ah, you! Come on, it was our question. All right, so tell me, how many, well, you're welcome. How many matches are there overall?
Oh my God. 32.
How many
96,
matches?
96. 104.
No, that's absolutely wrong. All right, but I would allow that pass. So tell me, are the Russians receptive? Do you feel welcomed here in Russia? And tell me one thing you love about the Russians.
Well, we just arrived yesterday, so we didn't have the time to feel that a lot. But everything we saw until now, it's
great.
amazing. It's amazing.
I agree with you. What about you?
I think everything is good. Only they don't speak English.
It's the language barrier is so depressing. Okay, so tell me, aside from Brazil, what other country are you rooting for? Can you all come closer, please? Aside from Brazil, what other country are you rooting for?
Yeah.
Oh, you Portugal? What about you?
Yeah, me too.
No, give me a different response.
Okay, Greece.
Oh, Nigeria. I was waiting for you to say that already. All right, so thank you very much for having this moment with me and have a swell time.
Which country are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
You're from Morocco.
Yeah.
Yeah, my African brother. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I
Wish you all the best of luck.
an African football team in the final World Cup.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. We'll be there. By God's grace.
Thank you. I think African football team they will qualify in the second round like Senegal.
Wow.
and also Tunisia. I think Tunisia also they will be in the second round.
Thank you very much. And Nigeria?
Nigeria, Nigeria, Morocco, and I would like to see them in the second round, but they are, yeah.
So thank you.
My name is Jalil.
Okay, so where are you from?
From Morocco, so I come here to support my country. So they play in tomorrow. We're in St. Petersburg today, and we're going to Moscow.
So what means of transportation are you using to Moscow?
I use a lot this one. I went in for 191 because I was living right there, and to go to the Fun Fest, it was the only way to go to get to the Fun Fest. It's like 5-10 minutes to get there. And there is two other transportation that I used. It's Get, the application Get, and also Uber. I also use Uber, so it's easy to go wherever you want to go. There is also the subways. I didn't use it, but it's practical too. So you can have a lot of transportation. It's very.
So are you flying to Moscow or you be taking the train?
I'm flying to Moscow. Normally I had to take the train, but I don't want to miss the fest tonight because all the Moroccans are there already. So it's gonna be cool. So I don't want to come tomorrow there. So that's why I want to go.
Okay, so what means of transportation do you prefer? And can you weigh your options and tell us why you prefer one to the other?
Personally, I prefer train because all the Moroccans are going to use the train. It's gonna be cool, fun, and all that stuff. But unfortunately, it's too late for me, so I have to take the plane. It's like just 1 hour instead of 10 hours of train. I prefer train because you have beds on the train, so you can sleep. But it's okay for now. I can use the plane for this time.
So I have two handsome Egyptians standing right beside me. How do you guys feel being in Russia?
The feeling is really good. Everything is well organized, and the environment here is perfect for all football fans.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
What about you?
The country is amazing. The event is very good.
Yes.
The organization of the event is perfect. Everything is very good.
My name is Katerina.
Where are you from?
I'm from St. Petersburg. Well, actually, I was living in St. Petersburg 10 years ago, and I just recently got back, like last year.
How is the transport system in St. Petersburg?
Well, you mean public transport? Or just traffic and everything? Just public. It's quite, I would say, modern and very developed. Well, because there are metros and buses and commercial buses and trains and planes, so all means of transportation. And of course, due to the championship, there are some extra measures were made. So the fans should feel comfortable, and especially the taxis, they are relatively cheap compared to other countries, for instance European countries. So I assume that most guests will use taxis like Uber, Get, and Yandex Taxi, and all the other taxi companies. So
which one is faster? Is it the taxi or the trains?
The taxi or the trains.
Which one is preferable?
Well,
yeah.
Depends where you want to go, because sometimes it might be like a heavy traffic, so it's better to take metro, for example. But normally it's faster by car, by taxi, if it's not in rush hour or something. So I would recommend you to use the taxi. well, just check the traffic before you plan your trip.
Are there enough taxis, trains to move a lot of people at the same time?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, due to this championship, extra commercial buses, taxis, and all other means of transport were entered.
And this is my wonderful brother from another mother, the way from the Republic of Egypt. And this is Mohamed Salah, ready to strike, ready to shake the world. Because the reason why the African continent are in this tournament is to get the World Cup, and they will settle.
Mo Salah, Mo Salah, running down the way. Mo Salah, Egyptian king. Mo Salah, Mo Salah, Mo Salah, running down the way. Salah, Egyptian king. Mo Salah, Mo Salah, Mo Salah.
That's how we roll, ladies and gentlemen, because football brings love, football brings unity, football brings excitement, and that excitement is written all over their faces. One world, one country, one continent, and it's here in Russia. Hey, hey. Salah. Salah. It's sights and sounds all the way from Russia, and easy on the microphone, ladies and gentlemen. Keep enjoying, because it's Russia 2018, baby, and it's getting fun. It's getting hotter. Nigeria is going to be facing our wonderful brother from another mother from Iceland. That is on the 22nd. And remember that again, that we are going to be facing Argentina on the 26th. Telling you that the match is on. All my wonderful African countries, they are doing well. The European countries are doing well, and everything is happening here in St. Petersburg, Russia. That is where we are getting these fates back to you there in Nigeria. So ladies and gentlemen, keep having fun, keep watching sights and sounds. Easy. That's how it is.
Josh, make that head sound, baby.